Hello and welcome to my kitchen again. Tonight I'm going to be making a quiche. Quiche are one of my personal favorite. There are many different recipes and different ingredients you can put in there, and this is just one version that I make. Let me show you what I'm working with here. I have 3 cups of shredded Gruyere cheese. Now I'll share with you, normally I use Swiss, but I had Gruyere cheese in the refrigerator and that's what I'm using. I have 4 eggs, 1 cup of half and half, a couple tablespoons of green onion chopped, about 1.5 cups of broccoli florets that I have steamed in the microwave, 4 strips of thick cut bacon that I have cooked and chopped, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Of course, this recipe is going to start with a store-bought pie shell that I have blind baked. You can certainly make a pie crust, and I often do, but I had one in the freezer and I decided to use it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer my bacon, my broccoli, my cheese, and my green onions in the pre-baked pie shell. So I'm going to start with cheese and then some of my broccoli. And you can see I leave the pieces pretty large. You can chop them up if you prefer. And then some of my bacon and some of my chopped green onion. Okay, then we're going to come back in with more cheese. And I do like a lot of cheese in a quiche. You can make it how you like it though. That's the thing about cooking. Every recipe can be tweaked to suit your palate or what you like. If you want to put ham in your quiche, you could do that. If you want to put sausage, you could do that. If you wanted to have it be a meatless quiche, you certainly can do that too. I don't think you can have a quiche without eggs though, or cheese. That'd be hard. You could put spinach, and I often do. And so you can see I'm just layering my ingredients. So in every bite, you get just a little bit of everything. The rest of my bacon. Let's set that aside. Rest of my green onion. And of course, don't forget now, 1 drop of the cheese. You see how I kind of have that mounded up like that? It will all bake smooth. Okay, now let's put together our custard. Mentioned I have 4 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and add my teaspoon of cornstarch, and that is just to help absorb some of the liquid from the broccoli and the scallion, so you don't have a soggy quiche. Let me whisk the eggs in the cornstarch up real quick. And then I'm going to add my 1 cup of milk. Actually, it's half and half. You could also use milk, and you could use heavy cream. Okay. Once that's mixed good, I'm going to, put a dash of salt in there. It doesn't need a lot. It does need a little bit. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and pour carefully the custard mixture into our pie shell with our broccoli and our onion and our cheese, our bacon. And I have preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and this will bake for about 25 minutes, maybe as much as 30 minutes. You want to make sure the center is fully cooked. Okay, just like that. And what I do is I place it on a sheet pan just like this before I put it in the oven. I'll be back when it's done and show you the final results. Hello there. I baked the quiche exactly 21 minutes, which was perfect. The crust is nice and golden brown. The cheese is melted. The custard is set. I will serve this with some sliced tomato, but it's also wonderful with a salad and vinaigrette. You can enjoy this for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. I hope you will give my version of this quiche a try. Remember to like, follow, and share. And as always, I hope laughter was the best part of your day.